Hello everyone, and happy Valentine's Day. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I have to confess, feeling a little bit guilty not having posted in such a long time, so I thought maybe Valentine's Day would be a good way to start by showing you some love. And so I don't have a lot of these kind of vignettes or room boxes, but I reached out to Judy, who you know from having posted here as well. And sure enough, within an hour or so, she sent me the following photos as well as text. I'm going to show you the photos and I will read out the text that she sent. Towards the end, I'll show you my workroom / studio in progress. Maybe you'll understand why I've been inundated with miniatures but not able to actually do any posts. So here it goes. Sent by Judy. I have always been in love with Joanne Swanson projects. When she posted her Valentine's scene, I had to try it. See link below to Joanne Swanson's scene. I started with the chairs, definitely a what was I thinking project, but persevered and made all four. The table was made from dollar store kaleidoscope and a wooden circle. I didn't have the hearts used in the project, but I had Easter eggs, a bit of wire, and they became the balloons. I made the base of the display from an old frame and added foam core for the back. Once my room box was finished, I realized I needed more stuff. Some of the elements I made were from various Joanne Swanson projects: the tiered cookie tray, the Valentines card holders, and the light bright for the drinking glasses. I don't know if anyone collected Japanese remnants when they were available. The tea wagons, the teapot, and some of the smaller elements are remnants. I made the plates from Valentine's buttons, the house from a printy I found online, the flower arrangement from 1-inch minis. Link below for that as well. I have wanted to make seasonal trees forever, so took the plunge with this scene. I had a lot of fun finding and placing the bits that went on the tree. Happy Valentine's Day. Now back to me. I love the tree, by the way. Totally love it. And Judy has made various trees, and they're beautiful. I am going to show you now some of the photos of my studio / workshop right now, studio wannabe, and I'm not going to really give you much of a description, just photos so that you can see the organizing process. Well, here we go, getting ready for a play date. I tidied up. This is just the beginning. At least I can find the spot for sitting. And over here still looks like the tremendous towers that they be. Still very much an organizing process, but I can actually walk around the room now. And I have a lot stored in the bins and organized in the bins, in the drawers, and there's still quite a bit of a jungle. But also getting ready for the show upcoming in May. Yeah, May 2024. Just in a couple of months or so. And so there's a lot going on, and I hope to come back here a little sooner than before. So for now, happy Valentine's Day once again. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe. Bye for now.